The equation 12t plus b equals c relates the variables t, b, and c. Which of the following correctly expresses the value of c minus b in terms of t? So we have this equation 12t plus b equals c. And we need to rearrange it so that we have c minus b on one side and t on the other. So let's move the c's and the b's to one side and the t's to the other. So we can do that by subtracting b from both sides. So on the left-hand side, the b minus b will cancel out and we'll just be left with 12t. And on the right side, we'll have c minus b. So that means that c minus b is equal to 12t. So we have c minus b in terms of t. So that means c minus b is just equal to 12t. So the answer choice D is correct.